Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll do the review on Google Drive. At first, what is the Google Drive? Google Drive is the storage solution where you can save, sync, and share the files. We can call the Google Drive as the storage garage where you can save all the stuff. The second question, how to get the access to Google Drive? Actually, there are multiple ways, but I signed up there with the help of the Gmail address. In the section that called as files, there will be all the files that we created. In the section that called as home, there will be the recent files. Adding the star to the file helps us to easily find them later. We can share the files with the other people with the help of the Gmail address and giving the access to them. If we tap on the plus in the right corner, we can see all the abilities of the Google Drive, as well as folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and slides. If we tap to the three lines in the left corner, we can see the recent files, files in the trash, backups, settings, and so on. Also, we can buy the storage. You can edit the offline files without the internet. So it was the full instruction and review on Google Drive. I hope that this video was so useful to you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.